God's workers with another call. So pipe right here deteriorated. It was leaking. As you can see, all the threads are gone. So we're changing this out. All this is about to be brand new. We'll show you the before pictures. We didn't even know we was gonna have to do this, but God's workers, give us a call. We fix it all. 240-681-5490. Peace. Have a blessed and wonderful day. God's workers, just put in this new water heater. All brand new pipes. New PIV. Nice and neat. Everything hooked up. God's workers, give us a call. We fix it all. 240-681-5490. Peace. Hold on, we got more. And as you can see, new faucet, new garbage disposal, new lines. God's workers, give us a call. We fix it all. 240-681-5490. Peace. And have a blessed and wonderful day.